Once upon a time lived a curious little bird named Pip. Pip loved to fly high above the world. One sunny morning, Pip looked up and wondered, "Why is the sky blue?" Pip flew to see Old Owl, who was wise and knew many things. "Old Owl," Pip asked, "why is the sky blue?" Old Owl smiled and said, "It's a wonderful question, Pip. The sun sends light to Earth, and that light is made of all colors. When the light reaches the air, the blue color spreads out everywhere. That's why we see a blue sky most of the time." Pip was amazed and thanked Old Owl for explaining. Pip flew higher and looked at the sky with new eyes. Pip noticed that sometimes the sky was different colors. Pip saw the sky turn orange and pink during sunset. Pip flew back to Old Owl and asked, "Why does the sky change colors?" Old Owl explained, "When the sun is setting, the light travels farther. The blue light scatters away, and we see more red and orange." Pip understood and felt so happy to learn about the sky. Pip decided to share this knowledge with all friends. Pip gathered friends and told them about the sky's colors. The friends listened with wonder and asked many questions. Pip and friends observed the sky every day. They noticed the sky was different depending on the weather. Sometimes the sky was grey when it was cloudy. Other times the sky was dark during a storm. Pip and friends learned that the sky is always changing. They realized that there is always something new to discover. One day, Pip and friends decided to paint pictures of the sky. They used all sorts of colors to show what they had learned. They painted blue skies, orange sunsets, and gray storm clouds. They displayed their paintings for everyone to see. Everyone admired the beautiful colors and learned about the sky. Pip and friends felt proud to share their knowledge. From that day on, Pip and friends continued to explore the world. They asked questions, learned new things, and shared with others. They understood that learning is a never-ending adventure. And so, Pip and friends lived happily, always curious about the world around them.